Today I'm reviewing the Rainbow Henna Hair Color and Conditioner in dark brown. I have had a lot of white and gray hairs pop up around my hairline, and I just prefer using henna to cover some grays because it's natural and it's dye and chemical free, and it's 100% natural plant powder. So what I do is I just mix it with some coffee that I had previously brewed and it was left over, and I mix it with the henna in with a paste, and I just eyeballed a couple teaspoons with some coffee, and I add it all over my hairline and make sure to really work it in to make sure I have optimal coverage. And you have to work fairly fast because the paste will dry out if you let it sit in the air too long. So I'm working fairly fast. It took about a minute to cover all the hair that you see that I'm covering. I'm not so much concerned about my entire head, just the hairline right now that frames my face. So I'm massaging it in and being careful not to get too much on my skin, but it's not going to stain too bad because I'm going to try to make it as clean as possible. Next, I cover my hair with some plastic wrap for an hour and a half, and you can see how much darker the color has set in after an hour and a half. So after I washed it and used conditioner, I love the way it turned out. It covered my grays beautifully and it blended it in, so some of the grays are now more of a soft caramel color, and I love how henna makes my hair feel soft, and it just looks natural. So it doesn't have any weird after effects as sometimes hair dyes can. It looks really natural, and for just doing half my hair, or at least just the top of my hair.